The Move 5000 is Ingenico's wireless smart terminal that offers you a secure way to accept electronic payments, including EMV and contactless, for your business. In this video, we will go through different components of the device and guide you through a general installation. Your Move 5000 package will include the following: a terminal, a wall-mounted power supply unit, and a paper roll. Your Move 5000 comes with one paper roll that allows you to promptly print sales receipts. To install the paper roll, open the compartment by lifting the catch at the top of the terminal, as shown. Insert the roll in the compartment, with the paper coming out from under the roll. Pull up the paper to the top of the terminal and close the lid to clip it into position. The Move 5000 runs on battery power to assist with easy mobility. To charge the battery, you must connect the provided wall mount power supply unit into a power socket and the other end into the terminal as shown. Before its first use, your Move 5000 needs to be charged for at least 16 hours. After that, it will only require 2 hours to fully charge and be ready for use. Once the battery is fully charged, remove the power cable from the terminal. Power up the device by pressing the green key. Your Move 5000 is now ready for use and is configured to go on standby mode when idle to conserve battery. To wake up the device from standby mode, press the green key. To manually power off your Move 5000, press and hold the yellow and pound keys together until the screen turns off. Thanks for watching. Hope this was helpful.